So I'm watching the documentary Pirates and I saw the altercation between uTito beno coach Abdeslam Owadu. Angikho ke lapho ukuthi ubani no wrong ubani no right angihlangene lapho. Kodwa kunento engifuna ukuyiveza about this guy uTito Maswanganyi. Smart footballer. This guy is a free thinker. Let me land. Yabona kule game le yeMarumo Gallants le elwise uTito no coach wakhe. Into ucoach Abdeslam ebelwela ukuthi uTito was holding the ball too much, was not releasing the ball too quickly. But now even uDion Hotto raised the same issue. uDion Hotto uthi iMarumo Gallants were sitting deep. They were sitting deep. There was no way the ball could be released quickly because they were sitting deep. Its defense was so compact. But uTito had the brains to make a decision to say, guys, we need to be patient with the ball. We need to break those guys, but we only break them if we are patient. It takes a free thinker to see ukuthi no, game plan coach imnandi, but kule game le iyaskawat and grab the game by the scruff of the neck and make tough decisions on the field. Sharp said the lento le imcabanise no coach because ucoach ebefuna enye into different. But uTito kwayiloko ukuthi was able to read the game and be able to make a decision ukuthi no, Buffett, we need to be patient with this game. We need to have some touches on the ball. We can't just Aibu. Even uDion Hotto said the same thing. Uthi release the ball to who? Because it value lapha move. So we need a teacher to hold the ball so that we can try to break those guys. I understand the frustration your coach for players going against what he instructed, but also at the same time, I applaud uTito for being able to read the game to say, esan, lento kushaya imoto la ngeke isebenze lezi ihlele emuva lezi. Sisha kanjani imoto bapaka amabhasi laphayana. So we need to be patient, we need to hold the ball and try to break them. And for that, it's a quality that most players don't have. Reading the game and being a free thinker, being able to make decisions which no, manje, this is how we move, this is how we maneuver. For that, malume kakhulu.
Zibambene ngehluthu ku social media abalandeli bePirates babhekene ngqo ngeziqu zamehlo kungani ngisho njalo ke this is why la ubafika comment uthi Mbuthuma was at fault not Tito. Even Hotto said Tito was right. Okay, fine asina msebenzi no Hotto no Tito nani no Mbuthuma sinendaba lana ke kwesibukile nabo idocumentary siqale la ngizoyifaka ivideo but siqela kulabe sibukile nabo idocumentary esingayibambanga la ku social media sikhulunywa ngayo. Ucoach wayengathethi ukuthi uLuis uTito ngesimo sokuthi ugejile lapha. uTito wasuke waphendula ukuthi ucoach was trying to coach uTito. Ucoach was trying to do his job kuTito ukuthi no Tito, next time do better, do this, you shouldn't have done that. Yabo uTito ke ngokuthi ke niyamazi uTito akafuna ukucoach, he's an uncoachable player. Yabo uTito wafuna ukuyilela ingakho ucoach mangabe agwisha lapha bembamba ethi don't confront me. Yabo usho njalo ucoach kodwa ke asikho lapho naye ucoach ke mawukuthi wrong fine asinomsebenzi asina nkinga noma bengahamba bonke iyosala noPirates support but nanti video no blame uMbuthuma ngale yanto. Niyazi mina ukuthi uMbuthuma mina angikaze ngibe abi favorite player yami, angimdefender kodwa kule game niyamsukela and mangabe sithi bahoba kadlala uMbuthuma kahlala inhlezi nimdefend uMbuthuma, niyampretend uMbuthuma niyampretenda uMbuthuma nizomfaka under the bus angalazi. Nansi video ngizamile ukuyihambisa slowly nayi chance nayi game ebangwayo. Nansi Tito khahlela ke Tito awusontekile phinda Tito uyongena nguMbuthuma nifuna uMbuthuma nithi wayimela yephi lapha. He's a striker, he's a 9, i-territory kaMbuthuma leyana, he's always there. Nanifuna yephi nansi futhi nansi. Okay, asiphinde nansi nalitho lokuqala khahlela aMaswanganyi lutho, khahlela aMaswanganyi 2 lutho la hamba ibhola ikhathe linikeza uMbuthuma sekulate uthi akalenzeni bafethu uMbuthuma nithi wenzile yini nithi uMbuthuma wrong ngayo la yini.
Another thing bafowethu, our coach also needs ukuthi control ama emotions akhe so as uTito does. That's the honest truth. Mina ngiphoxekile uma ngibona ucoach ebanjwa abadlali efuna ukuxabana nomdlali. I was so disappointed in them in that because I think he's their leader. Ngiphoxekile nje mangibona isituation ekanje oshayene osibisi bekhuza ucoach. Mina I understand uma kuthiwa kubanje umdlali mhlawumbe bese edube sefuna ukukhumula iskipper noma esefuna ukuphuma egamini yabo eseduba umdlali bambambe bamkhame down. I would understand if kuyinto kanjalo, not ukuthi kubanje ucoach esefuna ukuxabana nomdlali. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I understand ukuthi how can a coach not be able to control his emotion until that point of where kuzoze kuqhamuka ama players kube yona akhuza coach. It doesn't make sense to me nje, it doesn't make sense. So I think the coach also needs to control his emotions, so as Tito does. Talking while coach is talking, that is absolutely disrespectful to the coach. It shows that you are not disciplined. Mase ngiza kule situation kaTito njoba nithi kade ekhuluma uTilo Khuzana ucoach ekhuluma, if kwenzekile ngempela, because mina I was watching iLokhuzana iBucks camp njengamanje, I did not see that moment. Camera didn't show that uTito bekhuluma as ucoach bekhuluma, yabo angibonanga lonto mina. But if bekunjalo, it's absolutely disrespectful for uTito ukuthi akhulume while ucoach is addressing the team. Yabo, it shows lack of discipline. We were taught it in a ground, and even the body language can show it disrespect, can show a lack of discipline. That's why uqala kuthiwa stand up straight uma ukhuluma nomuntu omdala. Stand up straight, ukhipha izandla emaphaketheni, yabo. Lokho kufaka izandla emaphaketheni kukodwa shows a lack of discipline from you. So the way uTito behleli ngakhona, I think ucoach wanted him to look at him in his eyes uma ekhuluma, because uTito behleli egobile ethe kanje ngikathi ucoach ekhuluma, yabo. So I think ucoach felt disrespected. That's why he exploded the way he did. He felt disrespected by iLokhuzana body language ya Tito, yabo. So it's the things we can fix. Into encane leyo, we can fix that, yabo. At the end of the day, we all want the same thing, which is to win.
So Tito Maswanganyi and Abdeslam Odu have an altercation. Allegedly, apparently, I think Tito whispers something under his breath. Abdeslam Odu loses his mind. He loses it. Chain, assistant coach, other players need to step up. They have to step up and stop Abdeslam Odu. And then Tito, obviously, I think he got subbed off eventually. He's taking off his boots. He said, ever since the coach has arrived, has been on his case. Why? And I'm sure that, listen, as a coach, I'm sure the coach wants the best for the team. And if Tito and them are messing around, leaving chances like that out there, maybe if the coach is not that harsh on some of these players, maybe they don't win the Betway Premiership League. But now when you see part 2 and part 3, I'm sure other players get the same talking to that Tito receives in part 1. Do I understand where the coach is coming from? Yes. But now, Tito's situation, I'm assuming that situation there is the straw that broke the camel's back. I'm sure there were other situations. Tito maybe back-chatted Abdeslam Odu or did not work it hard enough in training or something, and then it exploded at that moment in the change room. That's when obviously Abdeslam Odu has had enough and had to address it somewhere. He eventually exploded. I feel like there's something more to that whole situation. Because he says, from Tito's point of view, he says, ever since the coach arrived, he's been on his case. But I want to know why, Tito. And then Tito on Instagram, he posted this yesterday. This image with the blue cap. So who's capping? The documentary? Tito, why are you giving us encrypted messages? You should have just left it as it is to let us run our minds. As long as you and the coach are sorted by now, it's all good. Let us go crazy with the conspiracy theories. The Pirates documentary. See that? Documentary's got me hooked. It's got me hooked. I just wonder, man. Hey, part 2 needs to explain to us a lot more, and part 3 needs to close the chapter. We need to know how the story, obviously the story ends on good terms, because towards the end of the season, Tito was playing again quite a few times and starting matches. So, Abdeslam Odu likes him. And I saw Horto trying to explain the situation. Horto, you couldn't explain the situation, my brother. You know me, I'm a fan of you only, Horto, not of Pirates. Hey, don't get that mixed up. Of you, Horto. But you just see trying to balance things. Horto, you're too much of a nice guy, NJ. Just too much of a nice guy. You're trying to see the
best of both worlds, trying to balance things out, trying to make it understanding. Tito is very emotional. Abdeslam Modu is hard. I see it. That's why everyone loves Hoto. Mr. Nice Guy. Make sure everybody is happy all around him. But yeah, guys, go watch the documentary and go see that heated exchange.
Yeah, awutito ingwenya. Utito ingwenya. Uthende udlula iWorld Cup. Yabona makuthiwa uyi-GOAT so uyi-GOAT. Uthende udlula iWorld Cup. And no one was speaking about the World Cup today. Everything was about Utito, Bucks camp. Yabona one thing engayisho, yabona marketing team at Orlando Pirates is doing a very good job. Whatever happened between Uwatu and Tito is none of my business. Tito is still a good player, Uwatu is still a good coach, but the marketing team at Orlando Pirates, shout out. Those guys know how to market the Orlando Pirates to kuma supporter a Pirates. Those guys know what they're doing. Yo!
Owadu was right, Tito was wrong. Tito must understand that Tito is a player and Tito melalandela my instruction waka coach. When the coach is talking, you don't have a right to talk when as a player. Now, question also is, last boy akona, you don't take umkondo wase lokshini ulethe ku PSL. Awuthatha umkondo wase Thembiso uzodlala ngawo ku PSL. When you play ku PSL awudlala ama Phillies game number 1. So if kuma Phillies game aba player kwazi ukukhuluma the way athanda ngakhona nama coach, it's fine for ama Phillies game. Mara ku professional uTito mela respect ama coach wakhe. So Tito was wrong and Tito was out of line, and also Tito speaking back laphayana back chatsa ku Abdeslam Moadu uTito beka wrong. Coach Abdeslam Moadu if akajabulanga nge style of play saka Tito, all Tito needs to do is to adjust to his style of play saka coach.